Press standard button. Select Schlage and model number. Select the correct space. Press decode button to enter decoding page. Press standard button. Please pay attention how to fix the clamp. The original standard key can work well. Fix the original standard key. Click to start decoding the key cuts of original key. The key cuts are displayed on the screen. Press cut button to enter cutting page. Take away the original standard key and fix a new key blank. Press cut button to start cutting the key. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp the new key. Take out the new key.